Kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. Despite ito, ibibigay ko na talagang microphone sa unang magtatanong. Sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako po si Justin Iron sa ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang una pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive us 19 sets of questions. So kung di po aabot dahil sa time limit natin this evening, paumanin po. Pero hopefully makapture ng discussion yung soundbites na hinahanap nyo. For our first set of questions, kasama po natin si Tito Danny Vivas.
Of course.
Daily Tribute.
Tito Dan, request ang tayo. You don't have to come here. Tayo na lang kasi we are, naka-live streaming tayo.
Okay.
Nakadilaw si Tito Dan.
Yes. It's almost surely, or it's undoubt, it cannot be done. Another. Are you prepared to make more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, ano Tito Dan?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka, kasi si Bong nang-eksena eh.
Yes.
I heard, ang galing-galing mo raw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant owned by Juancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peter Sen kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya.
Wow, ang lakas mo.
Favorite.
So
hindi mo to first? Nagawa ka, first ka nang nauna. First nga, nauna, natural, di ba?
So, I was part, too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si... Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Man. Okay, we are now ready sa nag-aagawang sumagot. Sino who's gonna answer the question from Tito Danny Vivas?
Sorry, Tito Dan. Parang kanina po ulit yung question? Sorry.
Yeah, for sure this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure there will be next offers to do more movies, more intimate movies.
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, di ba, Julia?
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya naming natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua. That's...
Yes po. Di na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yun. So, wala naman yung siguro ganung mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ako kami nito, nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya para hindi na siya sa pain. Yung balat tunod, doon naman talaga sa Direct Pictures and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy dito.
Oo, comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-i-excite kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you
po.
Very happy.